Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to increase the maximum volume limit on your iPhone with the latest update. So let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. To check it, click on settings and then tap on to general. Then you have to tap on to software update and see that your iPhone is whether up to date to the latest version of your iPhone or not. Make sure that your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. That's it. Now let's move forward to the next option, which is you have to adjust the volume limit. Once your iPhone is updated to the latest version, follow these steps. You have to open settings, then scroll down and tap onto sounds and haptics, then scroll down to the bottom and tap onto built-in speaker. You can see the option here, tap onto volume limit and tap onto it and set the limit maximum volume on. And now you can increase or decrease the maximum volume limit. By default it's set as 60. Slide it up to 90 to increase or to 20 to decrease. That's it. Now your iPhone's speaker is at its loudest possible settings at 19. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.